Here's how to see how much your Radeon or ATI or AMD graphics card is working in Linux XFCE or zorin-os-lite. Longer bars means more GPU usage. First, open up Terminal by clicking on the Z icon in the bottom left corner and type in Terminal and click on Terminal Emulator. Then install the GPU app by typing or copy and pasting this first line into Terminal. Sudo apt install Radeon top. Type in your computer's password, follow any instructions at the bottom of the text, and then copy and paste this second line. Sudo Radeon top. Now the app will open, and here you go. Ta-da! You can see the bars moving as the GPU is being used. To make the window smaller, zoom out by pressing Ctrl and minus. If the minus key doesn't work on your keyboard, try the other minus key on your keyboard, or just go to View and zoom out a bunch of times. And then drag to make the window smaller. Don't go too far though, or it'll cut off some information. This bottom bar is video RAM. You can drag the window wherever you like. To make it always on top, click this triangle and click always on top. Now it doesn't matter which window you're using, the GPU app is always on top. Oh wait, if you go to actual full screen, it hides away. It doesn't go on top of full screen games either. If anyone knows how to make the GPU app go on top of full screen apps, please let me know in the comments. And then you can make the window even smaller by clicking View over here and unchecking Show Windows Bar and Show Toolbar. Uncheck these two before you uncheck Show Menu Bar because you need the menu bar to click View and turn off the other two options. If you hide the menu bar before hiding the Windows border, you can right click this terminal area and click Show Menu Bar. And then now you can uncheck this one first and then this one. There you go. But how do I drag it? Just hold Alt on your keyboard and left click. There you go. Ta-da! Hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also check out my other videos. I made a short test animation, cartoony, in Blender. Pretty cool. See ya.